Now guys, before you consider me as someone who's working at some high-end organization and is processing lots of data, because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 high-end powerful laptops open right in front of me. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. I'm here for you because I'm gonna tell you which one is good for you. Considering we have the basic MacBook Air with the M1 chip, then on the other side we have the highest end possible 16 inches MacBook Pro with M2 Max chip. So because we have so many options and because you all have queries कि आपके लिए एक सही लैपटॉप कौन सा है, if you're a student, if you're a professional, आपका बजट अगर लिमिटेड है तो आपको इनमें से कौन सा लैपटॉप लेना चाहिए, I'm going to tell you कि आपके लिए कौन सा वाला लैपटॉप सबसे सही होगा. And guys, I must tell you, this is right now the best time to buy a new laptop. It's time to go back to school, to go back to college, to back to university, and you have some amazing surprises as well. So first, let's see कि कौन सा लैपटॉप किसके लिए सही है.
This 13-inch MacBook Air powered with the M1 chip is Apple's most affordable laptop. It is fairly priced, easy to carry around, and still manages to be power-packed and super efficient. With the starting price of ₹99900, this is a perfect deal for students. Oh, and talking about students, Apple has special discounted prices for those still in school. So this already affordable Apple laptop can be purchased by students at an even cheaper cost of ₹89900. Crazy, right? The new 13.6-inch MacBook Air comes stacked with the M2 chip. It is similar in price and size to the older 13-inch MacBook Air, but gives double the power. So if you're looking for increased boost for maybe coding work or to use some heavier files, this is a great option. And you can get it for ₹1,14,900 or use discounts for ₹1,04,900. The most recently launched 15-inch MacBook Air very quickly built itself. Despite having a larger 15-inch screen, the laptop manages to remain sleek and lightweight. And we cannot forget the powerful M2 chip that is powering the laptop. It additionally comes with increased battery life of up to 18 hours and has a starting cost of ₹1,34,900, which drops down to ₹1,24,900 if you apply the student discount. Moving to the Pro series, the 13-inch MacBook Pro is the last laptop in Apple's lineup that includes the touch bar on the top of the keyboard. It also comes with fans for cooling, which the Air series, ironically, is missing. Priced at a starting cost of ₹1,29,900 and ₹1,19,900 with the student discount, this is Apple's cheapest Pro laptop. Apple's most powerful laptop, yes, this is the 16-inch MacBook Pro that comes with the M2 Pro and M2 Max chips. Targeted towards pros, this is a reliable companion for those who need to work on the go. If the 16-inch form factor is a bit too much for you, maybe the 14-inch MacBook Pro would be the right choice for you. It packs everything the 16-inch version does, but with a smaller display and a smaller battery capacity. Prices start from ₹1,99,900, and with the student discount, you can get the same for ₹1,84,900.
Right now, if you're buying any Mac, any MacBook, Mac Mini or iMac, you're gonna get a free Apple AirPods 3rd generation. So it's discount in terms of education pricing and plus an additional freebie in terms of an AirPods. And by the way, if you happen to buy any new iPad, for the select models, you're gonna get a new Apple Pencil 2nd generation. So आप computing चाहे इस पे करें, चाहे उस पे करें, I think this is the time now.